Mm.
I'm gonna split this into 4. Alright, let's go. Just like how Betty
Wide
told me.
legs.
Like this.
Mm.
Right hand here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
Wait, but it's not a half actually.
That's okay.
I think I hit the wrong place. Like this.
It's okay.
쉽지가 않네요. Okay. Wait.
We just cut that part out.
Oh my god, it's not easy.
Careful.
It's not easy for a beginner.
Maybe. Hold on. What I do is
Mm-hmm.
I have
Okay, I'm going.
go closer to the wood.
One more.
Just be careful.
This time. Where are we gonna
You can go closer, maybe.
We're
A
close?
little bit closer. Like step closer. And then yeah. So the axe is like in the middle of the more. Like here. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Super.
Nope.
Shit, det är utan mot dig. Det är bra.
Har man inte gymnastikal?
Nej, så skulle man.
Arkitektur kan inte likna.
Det är bra. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Ja, någon. Tabbia.
Ta-da!